Task number 5, managing computers in Active Directory. This task is part of the Active Directory Basics module inside the complete beginner path on TryHackMe. By default, all the machines that join a domain, except for the domain controllers, will be put in the container called computers. If we check out domain controller, we will see that some devices are already there. Here we can see what's inside the computers container. Let's see that on our side. Here is what this snapshot looks on the TryHackMe machine. We can see some servers, some laptops, and some PCs corresponding to the users in our network. Having all of our devices there is not the best idea, since it's very likely that you want different policies for your servers and the machines that regular users use on a daily basis. While there is no golden rule on how to organize your machines, an excellent starting point is segregating devices according to their use. In general, you expect to see devices divided into at least the 3 following categories: workstations, servers, and domain controllers. Workstations are one of the most common devices within the Active Directory domain. Each user in the domain will likely be logging into a workstation. This is the device they will use to do their work or normal browsing activities. These devices should never have a privileged user signed into them. Servers. Servers are the second most common device within the Active Directory domain. Servers are actually used to provide services to users or other servers. And domain controllers. The domain controllers are the third most common device within the Active Directory domain. Domain controllers allow you to manage the Active Directory domain. These devices are often deemed the most sensitive devices within the network, as they contain hashed passwords for all the accounts within the environment. Since we are tidying up our Active Directory, let's create 2 separate operational units for workstations and servers. Domain controllers are already in an operational unit created by Windows. We will be creating them directly under the TryHackMe local. Domain controller, in the end, you should have the following structure. So we add workstations and servers. Okay, we add a new organizational unit for workstations, servers. Right, we have the same structure as in the snapshot. Now, move the personal computers and laptops to the workstations operational unit and the servers to the servers operational unit from the computer container. Doing so will allow us to configure policies for each operational unit later. We see 3 servers, which will move into the servers operational unit. And we see PCs and laptops, which are workstations. Now, answer the questions below. After organizing available computers, how many ended up in the workstations? 7? Yes, 7. It is recommendable to create a separate operational unit for service EA. Actually, I did not read the question because I just bumbled. It is recommendable to create separate operational units for servers and workstations. Yes. While there is no golden rule on how to organize your machines, an excellent starting point is segregating devices according to their use. Right? So, yes, it is recommended to separate like servers and workstations, which are 2 distinct things. Awesome.